Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we have reached the grand finale of our HireSmart AI series. So far, we have explored each building block: the job matcher agent, action center, technical and soft skills evaluator, and finally the email delivery process. Now it's time to see how everything comes together in one automated pipeline using UiPath Maestro. So without further ado, I'll just take you back to my solution. You have already seen this before if you are following me in the previous videos. Now, the next thing that I need to do here is I again go back to my solution and click on Agentic Process. So once I hit that, okay, let me just give it a default name, Agentic Process. It will open a default BPMN process for myself. I don't need autopilot for now, so I'll just close it. The first thing that I'm gonna do here is, if you see this here, the first agent was my job matcher agent. So I'll just go here and drag the agentic task. So the task here is, if I go to this, it should be my job matcher agent. Let me just connect this to my job matcher agent. Yes, that's done. And I need to pass few details like name. Okay, name should be Manoj. Uh, Email for now, it should be 1minuterpa@gmail.com. Don't spam me on this email if you have seen this. The skill sets are Python, comma, OpenCV, comma, Pandas, or maybe I can just pick few more from here. Python, machine learning. Okay, let me just copy this. Come back to this. I just need to make it comma separated, and we are done with the first agent. And these are my output: company, role, location, skills required, nice to have, minimum CGPA, experience required, and there are so many other variables. Now, if I go back to my diagram again, the next thing was my student approval hub. For this, I'll again go back to my workflow and drag another task. Okay, I'll just connect with this, and here I would select it is my create action app task. So that's being done. What is the app name? It would be approval hub, and again title should be same, approval hub. And if I look at the input, so these inputs are again the kind of output we got from job matcher agent. I'll select all the item here. So variable that was for job matcher agent. So first one is company. Where's company? This is my company. Next one we have role. So this is my role. The next one is location. Where's location? Location. There we go. Location. Skills required. Again variables. This is my skills required. Nice to have. Minimum CGPA. Oops. Nice to have. I need to select it again. That's the next one. Minimum CGPA. The next one is experience required, JD text, and the matching percentage. And in the output, I have got, okay, I missed that, matching percentage. Okay, that's selected. In the actions, I've got actions either accept or reject. So this will create my task in the action center. For those whose action center is not enabled, maybe you need to go to your admin here. Like, I'll go to my admin just to make sure I have got access to my action center. You need to go to your default tenant, and under services, if the action center is not available, then you need to click on the add services on the top right and see if action is listed there. Yes, we have actions, and you can select other product as well if required, but for now I just need actions. I click add, and in few seconds it will add the actions to my tenant. Now if I come back here, I can see, maybe I need to refresh it, but you will see it here. Let me do a refresh just to make sure we have got actions. Yes, we have actions in place. Now I'll again go back to my agent and show you how it works. So first is job matcher agent, second one was approval hub. Okay, we are right there. The next one is technical evaluator and agent. The soft skills evaluator agent if user accepts that. So before that, I need to click on this exclusive gateway just to make sure we are on the right track. Okay. So next one is my decision, and I should drag end process as well. So one thread will be connected with my end process. If I hit this node, this would be my default one for now. And the condition here is for the Action Center app, for the approval hub, the actions should equals to reject. So if it is reject, then it will move to this reject section. And the second one is my next agent, which was my technical evaluator. So I'll go here and drag this up here. Let me just move it to the top for better visibility. The next one will be connected to this, and again I will define a condition here that the action, the approval action should be equals to accept. I guess that was a button name. I need to double check it, but it should be accept. So this should be my what, technical evaluator agent. So start and wait for agent, and the agent name is technical evaluator agent, and here I'll be passing the student name and other parameter here. I'm not sure if you've taken student name as a variable, but let me just see. For job matcher agent, it is not there. Okay, so by default I'll just put my name here, and email is 1 minute gmail.com. Again, for company, it should be my job matcher agent dot company. So this is my job matcher agent, and it extracted the company. Same goes with the role, job matcher agent dot role. The next one is location. Skills required, job matcher agent dot skills required. That's been selected. Okay, now we have two more. Nice to have. This is my, where's that? Nice to have. Can you guys spot it? Yes. And the last one is JD text. Job matcher agent dot JD text. Oops. I guess I have got everything now. Company name, yes, that's done. So once technical evaluator agent runs, the next one is soft skills evaluator agent. Again, I'll drag another agentic task here and connect this with the last one. Maybe I need to drag it to right. Yes. The next one here is again wait and start for agent, and the agent here should be my soft skill agent. And again, I have to pass everything again. Name is Manoj, email which I forgot to create a variable, and then again all the parameters. Company should be my job matcher agent dot company. That's my role. Job matcher agent dot role. Job matcher agent. What was the parameter? Location. Job matcher agent dot location. Where is that? This is the location. Then we have the skills required. Yep, nice to have. And the last one is again the same JD text. So JD text, where is my JD text? Okay, I guess yes, done. I've got interview question as a response in the form of array. And the last one here is my RPA process. So I'll try another task here. I need to connect this to N for some stream region. Okay, I'm okay with that. Let me just delete it just to see if it connects. Okay, yeah. Now I guess that looks better. The last one was the RPA process, and the name of RPA process was start and wait for RPA workflow. And there's only one automation, send email, and again everything needs to be passed over here as well. So role is the same role, company, the same company which I passed earlier, location, then we have match percentage, skills required, skills required is where is my skills required? Okay, I've selected that. Next one is nice to have, minimum CGPA. Then we have experience required, CTC range. Now we have got two other inputs, soft skill output and the tech skills output. So soft skill output is the output of my soft skill agent, and similarly for tech skills it should be the output of my tech skills agent. So where's my tech skills agent? Yes, questions. Yep, it seems like everything is set now. Okay, let me just see if everything is selected for this part or not. Yes, technical, yes, everything is done. So if you seen this, we have got job matcher agent in the main diagram, then the student approval hub. If it gets approved, then technical evaluator agent, soft skills evaluator agent, and the final confirmation will be sent to the student. And in the same manner, we have designed this workflow. Start event, job matcher agent, approval hub, technical evaluator agent, soft skill agent, and the send email. So let's just debug the process for now. Okay, debug using this connection. So these are my connections and this is my RAG. I've saved and debug. This will take a minute or two to run. So first one is my job matcher agent. It has now started executing my job matcher agent, and you can see we have got LLM calls at the bottom, and that's been done, and it has now moved to my approval hub. To do this, I need to go back to my orchestra admin, and under actions, I will see if there has been any action that's been assigned to me. I can see there's one unassigned task. I'll hit OK, and it will open a new window for me. I can see approval hub has been assigned. Okay, 28 seconds ago. Okay, let me just assign it to myself and load it again. So this will take again few more seconds to load, and I can see the company name, role, location, skills, and everything, including the job description and the matching percentage. It should be X. Okay, let me just accept it. I guess we have added accept over there. Okay, complete the task, and that's done. That's been done, and now it has now moved to my ideally it should move to technical evaluator agent. Yes, we have passed the condition right. So technical evaluator agent is also through. Next one is my soft skill agent, which is now currently running. That's been run. And final is my send emails. So hopefully this will send one email to me, including all these parameters and questions. Okay, that's been done. Let me just go to my email to see if I have received anything now. Yes, I have received one email, HireSmart AI. So these all are the parameters which I have got from my agent. One, the second one is my technical skills. Let me open that. Yes, I've got 10 questions. And similarly, for soft skills, I should be getting, okay, oops, there's some issue. I need to pass the right parameter, I guess, which I forgot to do. But similar to that, you will get all the data over here as well. So I guess my code seems to be working fine. It's just that I need to make some changes to my soft skills to make sure that it accepts the right set of parameters. But apart from that, we have got attachments and everything in line via email. And if you see here, the whole process has been completed successfully. So in the last 7 videos, you have seen how you can create a complete end-to-end process, including your agents, action centers, RPA, including your integration services, including RAG. So this is and including Maestro as well, which is the main you can say the connecting point where you can connect everything under under one workflow. You can say that. So this is all about this demo, and we'll see you in next video series. Till then, thank you. Bye.